Hey, what's going on everybody? Steve here at Rake and Profit over at rakeandprofit.com. I found a really cool item at my local Goodwill recently, and I paid $7 plus change for it. And I want to share this with you because this is something that you should definitely be on the lookout for. This is an insect fogger. Now this little, machine is for mosquito prevention or to help eliminate mosquitoes. And I had no idea what this was, Funny enough, in my area, I actually have a pond behind my house and we've been really struggling with mosquitoes. I have a service that comes out, but there are different solutions, homemade solutions that you can use. And this sells for over $50 if you get it brand new with no box damage. This has a little bit of box damage here. So I'm gonna just sell this on eBay as like open box. This can sell up to $75 plus, okay? So these are the types of unique items you wanna be on the lookout for when you go to the thrift store. Again, this is called the Burgess propane powered insect fogger. I'm gonna sell this as new open box because this has never been used. It's still in the box. I looked through, there's the manual. It's still like lodged in there perfectly, but it does have a little bit of shelf wear. So you wanna be on the lookout for stuff like that because feedback's really important. I wouldn't wanna sell this just brand new perfect because again, if there are any issues with it, you could get some negative feedback. So yeah, this is gonna be probably 50 to 70 bucks right here. I'll probably sell it for 50, maybe 55 or 45 plus shipping. So I'm gonna turn $7 into some profit. So with that being said, if you guys wanna learn more about this type of stuff, click the link down below for the Reseller Handbook or study the sold listings, and you can go out and make money as well. Much love.